Welcome to week number 7 of our Agriculture Economics course. It seems like our time is passing pretty quickly. We're nearly halfway through. Well, before I talk to you about this week's assignments, I wanted to go through a couple of announcements for you guys. One of the ones that I think is pretty darn important is as of October 1st, the Bakersfield College scholarships have opened for students to apply. The process is pretty easy. If you look in our class, you can go to the home screen, and on the right-hand side, if you look at the fourth circle down, the one with the green leaf, that will get you to our tools and resources for our economics course. And the second link down says BC Scholarships. As a student, you can apply. Now, while these scholarships are awarded for the 21-22 school year, all you need to do is be a BC student and have a professor also serve as a recommender. So I'm more than willing to go ahead and recommend anybody in our course. But one of the neat things about it is in the agriculture department, the only other institution at Bakersfield College that gives out more money than agriculture is athletics. And we have scholarships for students we have some GPA scholarships and we have some interest scholarships, meaning that if you are an animal science major, you can apply for those scholarships. We even have scholarships for students that have graduated from Bakersfield College and are continuing on to a 4-year college. So I would encourage you to take a look at those resources. Secondly, as you are finishing up your semester, in order to help students get a little bit closer to their educational goals, Bakersfield College Agriculture is offering what we call some late start 8-week courses. And we have some courses that are going to start a little bit later this month and take the last 8 weeks of the semester. So if you are doing well in school and you want to pick up a few more units to kind of get you to your goals a little faster, we have some Agriculture B1 courses that will be available. Some Agriculture Business B6 courses. That's a sales and communications course, and that class gives you GE graduation credit for communications. And then we also have an Animal Science B1 course and an Ornamental Horticulture B2 course. So if you're interested in adding in some extra courses this semester, those are the opportunities in agriculture. And if you go in and begin to register for more courses, there are a lot of opportunities in the general education field as well. And finally, as my announcements, during week number 10, my mistake, it's all week 10, I am awarding students with extra credit if you are able to turn in a student education plan that talks about the methodology that you're using to get through Bakersfield College. Whether you're in your last quarter now or you have another year to go, I want to see your student ed plan. I want to see how you're planning to get through our college, because what I've learned over time is if you have a plan to get through BC, you get through BC a little faster. So by submitting your plan, your official BC student ed plan, I'll go ahead and give you 50 points of extra credit, which is about 5% of your overall grade, and that's pretty significant. If you haven't started a student ed plan, then maybe you can enroll in the Late Start Agriculture B1 course. Agriculture B1 course, they fill out student ed plans, and you can get it done in that course. Or you can go ahead and visit with Juan Manzano. He is our agriculture advisor, and he also helps students with their student ed plans. Just want to give you guys a little bit of notice because sometimes it takes some time to get the student ed plan done. So you have week 7, 8, 9, and then by the end of week 10, it's got to be in. Now on to this week. There is no discussion this week. All you guys have to do is go ahead and read and study and learn our Unit 5, Chapter 5 information, and we'll follow that up with an end of the week test. Our Exam 2 will open up very early on Friday morning. At 12:01 Friday morning, the test will open up and it will close right before midnight. So at 11:59 on Sunday, the test will close. So you'll have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to finish off exam number 2. And if you didn't have a good experience on exam number 1, let's go ahead and put our time in studying, work on our economic quotients at the end of every chapter, and do a little better, because at the end of the semester, I dropped the lowest test score. As always, if you have any questions, reach out to me in the Ask the Professor forum, or just talk to your professor. Have a great week.